Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to show or hide your profile photo in the Viber app. Without any further ado, let's get started. Balarov. First, at the bottom of your screen, tap on the More option. This will take you to additional settings and features within Viber that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. Once you're in the More section, tap on Settings. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your Viber account, including privacy controls, notifications, and other important features that let you personalize your experience. Next, tap on Privacy. This section is crucial because it gives you control over who can see your information and how visible you are to other Viber users. It's where you manage everything related to your personal data and visibility on the platform. Here you'll see an option labeled Show Your Photo. When you tap on it, you'll notice a radio button beside it becomes checked. This means you've enabled the option and your profile photo will now be visible to other Viber users. This is useful if you want people to easily recognize you when they receive messages from you or see your profile. If you want to hide your profile photo instead, simply tap on the same option again. You'll see the radio button become unchecked, which means your profile photo is now hidden from view. This gives you more privacy and prevents others from seeing your photo when they interact with you on Viber. It's a simple toggle that you can switch on or off whenever you prefer. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to control the visibility of your profile photo in Viber, giving you the flexibility to show or hide it based on your privacy preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.